This game is for grade 3, term 1. CAPS page number 75. Content area, number operation and relationship. Topic, problem solving technique. Name of the game, number bricks. Resources, white powder or chalk. Bricks, papers, chart. Instructions of how the game is working. The teacher will draw a 20 feet square on the ground with white powder. The teacher will place bricks in the middle of the 20 feet square in the form of a row, and the bricks will be 2 feet apart. The teacher will use a marker to write the number on papers. The teacher will stick the papers on the bricks. The teacher will inform the learners about the rules of the game and instructions. The teacher will divide the learners into groups of 2 at outdoor play. The teacher will place one group on the left-hand side of the 20 feet squares and the other group on the right-hand side of the 20 feet squares. All learners should stand behind the line of 20 feet square in a row facing the other group, and one learner from each group will write down points on a chart. The learner who's supposed to take part must be prepared to run. Thereafter, the teacher will shout out maths questions. The learner will run fast to the brick number and touch the brick number that he or she thinks is the relevant answer to the question asked by the teacher. One learner from both groups who touched the right brick number and ran back to the starting point first is the winner, which means her or his group will get a point. Thereafter, the game will continue. At the end of the game, we add all the points of both groups, and the group that has the highest points will get a reward. Questions. Examples. Which number can be added to 5 and gives us 9? Answer is 4. Which number can be added to 3 and gives us 7? Answer is 4. 50 minus 44. Answer is 6. Peter has 20 apples and then gives his friend 6 and eats 7. How many apples are left? Answer is 7. What is the value of double 50? Answer is 100. Double 10 minus 11. Answer is 9. What is half of 50? Answer is 25. Half of 30 minus 7. Answer is 8. Rules of the game. Learners are not allowed to push each other. No stepping inside the 20 feet square line without permission. The learner can ask his or her group for the answer. Only one learner that is supposed to take part can run to the brick number. Learner is not allowed to run twice. If the learner disobeys the rules, he or she is placed on timeout. Learner's instruction. All learners are supposed to stand behind the line of the 20 feet square opposite to their opponent. The first learner in a row of both groups are the ones who start the game. The learner who are supposed to run can run inside the 20 feet squares. Those learners who are supposed to run will run after the teacher has asked the question. He or she must run to the correct answer, touch it, and run back to the starting position. If the learner touches the correct answer and goes back to the starting position first, which means his or her group will get a point. The group that has more points wins the game. Learners were practicing the following. Doubling and halving numbers can lead them to the introduction of division and multiplication. Addition and subtraction of numbers can help them with mental maths and counting forwards and backwards numbers. Critical thinking can help them to think fast as they can. At the game, they must think faster to save their group from losing the point. Work as a group and communicate with each other as it shows in the game. If you do not know the answer, Then you can communicate with your group to get the right answer. Exercise helps them to have healthy body and being active when they're doing PSW subject to follow the rules. The reference list. Okay, let the game begin. This is group A over here, and that is group B. Okay, half of 50. Alright, group B wins because she ran to the correct brick number and went back to her starting position first. So, she is the winner. Group B is the winner. Okay, congratulations, Group B.